Hi there. I know you have a scroll saw and you're just itching for a really neat new project to get your teeth into. Well, as you can see, I just have the project that will give you a lot of enjoyment. It is the Castle Diorama, a wonderful little three-dimensional diorama that you can cut out with your scroll saw. To make this project, I provide full-color patterns that you can stick to 1/8-inch thick hardboard, or as I say, 3.175 millimeter hardboard. Have a look at the description for the link and buy the $5 patterns. It all goes together using slots and can be easily glued together with a glue gun. A while back, I came across some early century paper diorama cutouts. People would cut out and stick together the patterns to display scenes that they had visited. The cutouts depicted little diorama images of holiday resorts or pretty scenes. I thought they were fantastic, and I decided that it would be a very fun project to translate the paper dioramas into scroll saw projects. Shown here are the patterns, the three panels that you require, and the finished piece in front of it. This is the cover of the PDF scroll saw patterns that you can order from Etsy. Assembling the diorama is very easy. Shown here is the black and white copy that I initially made to be sure that all of the cutout pieces fit together properly. I have provided a list of the parts, and they're numbered so that you can do the assembly in the sequence shown. You can see the assembly sequence of the parts as parts 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 and 7 and so on, which is the back. I attached the pieces to the diorama using a glue gun. This makes a pretty cool diorama. I'm showing the three-dimensional diorama in full color and full size during this rotation. As you'll notice when it goes around to the back, it's a little bit smaller and it's black and white, and that was one that was created just for the purposes of making sure that everything fit. Many thanks for watching. This is a fun project. Listen, take a minute to subscribe. A subscription will get you notice of upcoming fun and easy scroll saw projects. I'd like a thumbs up. That would be really appreciated. And be sure to share this video with like-minded friends. It would be great if you could leave a comment and let me know how you made out with this project. Anyway, have a great day and keep on scrolling.